First of all, let me show you the best part about the living room. And the kitchen comes with this L-shaped granite slab. The master bedroom also comes with a very cute window. Hello everybody and welcome to Housey. I am Ekta Kapoor and today we will be doing the sample flat video of the project Codenames Blessing by Sri Venkateshwara Group, which is located in Vadmukhwadi, Charholi. But before we go ahead into the video, let me tell you something more about Housey. Housey is India's first ever online platform that connects buyers directly with the developers. Unlike other online listing platforms where your number gets shared with multiple brokers and you start getting multiple calls, at Housey we connect you directly with the developer, thereby giving you transparent pricing, complete information and a hassle-free home buying process. So what exactly are you waiting for? Register today for free and get all the possible benefits of booking your home with Housey. Let's start with the project overview. The project is going to be constructed in a 3-acre land parcel with 3 towers, which are going to have 2 basements plus ground plus parking plus 29 floors of residential apartments. Thereby, they are also considering this to be the tallest towers of Vadmukhwadi. These are going to have 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs. Let's now talk about the location. The project is located at Lakshmi Narayan Nagar, Charholi, Vadmukhwadi. And this is the internal road that connects you directly to the Alandi road. Talking about connectivity, from here the Pathare Chowk is just about 4 kilometers and Magazine Chowk is just about 3 kilometers. Now let's talk about the amenities. The project has 26 plus amenities like swimming pool, pool deck, multi-purpose club hall, outside gymnasium and also kids play area. This is the 3 BHK, which is of 1130 square feet at Vadmukhwadi's tallest tower. Let's take a look at this one. Now, as I said, it's the tallest tower, so even the door size, as you can see, is pretty wide as compared to the normal doors. And of course, it comes with a digital door lock, which can be operated with your fingerprint, with a digital key and a market master key as well. Now here we enter into the house, wherein this is your spacious foyer area. If you can see, this space can be utilized actually for a guest sitting area. It's that big, but usually people would like to utilize it for a shoe rack. Let's get inside the living room. Now this house is a butterfly concept house with 1 bedroom on one side and the other master bedroom on the other side, with a guest bedroom right over here. But first of all, let me show you the best part about the living room, and that is the balcony. Now the balcony has been given as literally an addition to the living room because it is just as big as your living room when it comes to the width. It comes with anti-skid ceramic tiles on the flooring with wooden finish and is covered from the top as well. It also comes with these glass and stainless steel railings. Now here we are back into the living room, and as I told you, the butterfly concept. So first we'll take a look at the guest bedroom and then I'll bring you back to the house. Let's go into the guest bedroom right over here, which is at the entrance, which makes sure that because of your guests, your privacy is not hampered. Now, this is the guest bedroom that also comes with an attached balcony and an attached washroom. There's also pretty good space over here for a TV unit and a wardrobe as well. Let's take a look at the washroom. In this room, comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and standard CP sanitary fittings. Here is the balcony of the room, which comes with anti-skid tiles on the flooring, wooden finished ceramic of course, a toughened glass railing and is covered from the top. Here we are coming back into the living and the dining space. Just follow me into this really spacious house. Now this is more like a bespoke residence which would be in Charholi, your exclusive dining area with an open kitchen. So this space, as I always say, makes the house appear a little more larger than it actually is. And here is your kitchen and dining area clubbed in together. The kitchen comes with this L-shaped granite slab right over here, and it ends at this quad sink here. This is a dry balcony which comes with a 3 mm tile drop And it also comes with plumbing fittings. It comes with a window for ventilation and perfect lighting as well. Right opposite it is the kids' bedroom. Let's take a look at this one now. The kids' bedroom comes with this much needed window for the kids these days because ventilation and natural lighting is something important. So this is a fixed window and this one is a sliding window which comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net as well. Before we move ahead, let me tell you something more about Housey. At Housey, you can see actual location tours, sample flat videos, pros and cons 360-degree tours, and also you can get to know about the EMI benefits and pricing plans. Now, what are you waiting for? Quickly book your home with Housey today. Register now to get all the benefits. Let's move ahead and let's take a look at the rest of the house. This over here in the aisle area is your common toilet and wash, which comes with this wash basin outside, and the toilet comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, and the standard CP sanitary fittings. Here is your master bedroom. Now the master bedroom also comes with a very cute window over here which allows maximum ventilation and lighting. And it is not just a regular window, so it is an L-shaped window that makes sure that your room is well lit from both the sides and well ventilated as well. Let's take a look at the master bedroom's washroom as well. This is the master washroom over here, and the master washroom comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat video for project Codename Blessings by Sri Venkateshwara Group, which is located at Charholi. Do not forget to like, comment and share on this video, and stay tuned to Housey. Thank you.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.